comes to our past, yes, a lot of times, a lot of closure we get when we are in therapy about our past experiences and what we have done. So, going to a rehab, in any case, it pulls down your self confidence and self esteem, and on top of that, the whole baggage of past. So that takes time. You need to be patient and tolerant, that there is that baggage, emotional baggage that we are carrying is of guilt, remorse, shame. Can they go like this? No. Like addiction takes time and it's a process, so is recovery. When we talk about reflecting on our past, it is important that the family around us do not remind us of the past. Now that is the external factor, that family members don't do that. Internally, the process one can work on, or the homework that one can do, is doing the right thing now. When we do those right things, when we say recovery, is recovering from all the things in our lives that we have lost: relationships, self-esteem, a lot of all the other personal, professional, all the areas of our lives. So that is what we call true recovery. But if you do the right thing that you're supposed to do, and guilt and shame and remorse comes down, and people start appreciating you, and not only that, you start looking at yourself in a different perspective, that, oh my God, yeah, nobody's giving me that look, nobody's talking about my wrongdoings, and slowly you just come out brighter. So I think if these one or two things that we look into mind, that past is, let go of the past and move forward, and make your life a better place, because recovery shows you that.